Malaysian Independence Day. As you can see, there are thousands of people here at Putrajaya. It's a very big celebration here in Malaysia. It's very early in the morning.
Merdeka! 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 Merdeka!
Hey! So it's very lively here at the Merdeka. A lot of people around, my new friend. But there's some parachuters in the sky, I think.
Ialah kontinjen FGB Holding Berhad terdiri daripada 100%.
Serta ialah kasar Alexis terdiri daripada 4 unit lori India yang mengadakan dokumen jauh dan melengkapi dalam melakukan fitur UAM dan VHM serta boleh digunakan operasi bencana. 2 unit Water Rescue Vehicle terdiri daripada jet ski merupakan kenderaan penyelamat di air yang digunakan untuk pengendaan ancak pentasan Dewan.
Berikut ialah penjaga merah Malaysia Utusan Bravo dengan kekuatan 5 kota. Golongan
They love these guys.
Dua buah ACV 300 Atlan Ambulance.
Wow, guys. That was actually amazing. I really enjoyed that show. I'm gonna go find a drink now because I'm really thirsty. It's super hot out here, but everyone is just having such a good time. The vibes are very high. People are enjoying themselves.
Let's support Tony.
And hey!
Let's support Tony, guys. Spirit camp.
Show your face.
Tony,
Hey!
Even Tony.
Merdeka!
Even Tony. Let's support even Tony, guys.
Merdeka. Yeah, so there you go. Everyone's happy, having a good time. Still thousands of people around, guys. Look at this. Merdeka.
Malaysia, Tony.
Oh, thank you. Wow. Woo. Trying to find a drink. I don't know if you heard those airplanes going over. They were super loud. That was crazy. Okay, guys, having a great time at the Malaysian Independence Day. I can see there's a little store here. It's very busy. I mean, it's busy everywhere, to be honest. But they have some drinks here. I don't know what it is, but I will try one. This one?
Same.
Okay, same. Okay, I will have one, please. Terima kasih. So yeah, I don't know which one's the best, but I asked them and they said they're all the same. Terima kasih. Berapa harga? Struggling to get the right flavor out of that, but I'm picking up caramel now. I'm starting to pick up caramel. It's very sweet. There's a caramel flavor to it, but it is delicious. I do like that. Fantastic. Wow. That was amazing, guys. There are still thousands of people around. But it was such a good day to celebrate with the Malaysian people, their Independence Day. They have a lot of national pride here in Malaysia. You can see that today, but also you see it when you're walking around the city. You can see their flags everywhere. So you know they have a lot of national pride, which I think is amazing, to be honest. And you could see that today in the enthusiasm, screaming, shouting. They loved every minute of it, and I really enjoyed it as well. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more from me, subscribe. Oh my God. And if you want to see more from me, if you want to see more from me, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.